Welcome back to the workshop. Today we're looking at this Komatsu PC200. As you can see by the rust, this is going to be a major restoration project. First, we're tackling all this rust. If you're ready for the transformation, hit that like button and subscribe using the link below. First full visual check, rust everywhere on this old Komatsu using new OEM parts for restore. Engine bay, packed dirt, old oil. Got to rebuild pistons, change oil. Dead expected hair, no turnover time. Full engine restore.
Time, blast grime, high pressure wash before disassembly.
Woo! Undercarriage, caked mud, rust, blasting clean.
Cab boom heavy, rust washing, reveal metal. Body panels corroded, removing access internals. Releasing grease, loosen old tracks, remove. Prying off worn tracks, undercarriage, inspect.
Rollers, idlers, worn, replace new.
New sprockets, splats, perfect mesh tracks.
Pinning master link secure chain. Tensioning new track spec, tight smooth.
Draining contaminated hydraulic fluid. New seals, no leaks, steering smooth.
Precision grinding, lapping, swash plates, pump like new.
Flushing lines remove contaminants.
Fresh hydraulic oil, OEM grade.
Bleeding air smooth operation.
Steering components responsive, rebuilt.
Draining sludge oil, pistons next. Engine exposed, full teardown.
Cylinder head off, inspect valves.
Piston scored rings, failed overhaul kit. Honing walls, new rings, seal, perfect. New pistons rings, oriented spec. Torque head bolts pattern, leak proof. Fresh filters, clean flow.
Full synthetic engine oil spec.
Sensors harness, ready start.
Priming system, no airlock. She lives. Rebuilt Komatsu purrs.
Masking tracks, engine paint, clean lines.
Final sand smooth, base coat next. Anti-rust primer, protect new metal. Iconic Komatsu yellow base. Boom arm, perfect yellow match.
Hydraulics powerful. No leaks. Steering crisp. Driving smooth tracks, steering flawless.
Digging like new, hydraulic power full.
No leaks, temp's good, ready to work.
Rebuild, success, time, big feast, celebrate.
Best bite after insane rebuild.